Hello everyone, this video will show you how to install the front headlight, which includes 6 steps in total. Step 1. Take one vertical pole clamping block, main mounting bracket, auxiliary hoop, screws and gaskets. Fix the vertical pole clamp block onto the vertical pole. Let's switch to another camera angle for a closer look. Fasten with bolts, leave them loose for adjustment. Step 2. Take the vertical pole clamping block, main mounting bracket, auxiliary hoop, screws and gaskets again. Fix the buckle to the stem. Secure with screws, but do not tighten fully. Step 3. Finally take one LED headlight assembly to screws and to gaskets. Place the washer on the inner side, then tighten the screws from the outside. Do the same for the other side. Step 4. The nuts on the buckle fit a 10 mm wrench. Tighten the screws at both ends of the buckle with a wrench. Step 5. The nuts on the buckle fit a 14 mm wrench. Step 6. Connect the red terminals of the headlight. Align the 2 red terminals and plug them in. Let's check the installed effect of the headlight.